Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check drivers and CUDA, then prepare hardware. Install the latest OEM driver, reboot, and verify device visible in System Tools. Next, set the GPU power profile to maximum performance in the driver control panel or BIOS so clocks don't downclock under load. Finally, confirm the PSU connectors and rails deliver stable 12V. Unstable power causes throttling. Once done, you'll be ready to push the card into sustained high utilization without basic configuration bottlenecks. You now configure the software stack to maximize GPU throughput. Install framework builds compiled for your CUDA/cuDNN versions. Mismatches cause falls in performance. Tune application-level options, increase batch size, enable data pipelines and prefetching, and switch to mixed precision where numeric stability allows. This boosts throughput and reduces memory pressure. Adjust process and thread affinity so CPUs feed GPU efficiently. Meanwhile, monitor temps, fan curves, clock speeds, and percent utilization. These metrics explain whether the software changes actually push more compute or reveal new bottlenecks. You finish by squeezing the last percent of performance with careful tuning. Raise the power limit, then incrementally overclock core and memory in small steps. Run stress tests between changes to validate stability. Improve cooling through case airflow, custom fan curves, or an aftermarket cooler so temperatures don't force throttling. If performance drops, check for thermal throttling, driver warnings, or PCIe link negotiation reducing bandwidth. As a key tip, when instability appears, revert the last overclock step and retest. That often pinpoints the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.